welcome to my channel. Welcome back for my second video. I did actually start recording this about 20 minutes ago, and my camera storage ran out. So I managed to get it out the box and get it out all the cellophane. And that's as far as I got till it ran out, so I didn't want to try and get it back in the box, so we're just going to take it from here. This one came in this box, diamond painting store on it. It is the one I wanted from, the one I was waiting for from the Diamond Painting Factory. I ordered from those on the 16th of June. They shipped, I believe, on the 17th of June and arrived today, which is the 1st of July. So just over a couple of weeks, which is pretty good. They did provide pretty good tracking as well. So this one is a mermaid. Anyone who knows me will not be surprised. So let's have a little look. So toolkit, pretty nice. It's just your basic green boat, decent size wax, pink pen, tweezers and a blue squishy. Quite nice. Those in loads of little bags, but never mind. Right, the canvas. Bear with me. Try and show you a photo. There we go, there she is. Oh, I love mermaids. She's so pretty. So this one is a 40 by 60. I don't know if you can see it on there, but look how glittery that canvas is. Really pretty. Canvas has literally rolled itself flat coming straight out of the box, which is amazing. And there she is in all her glory. Really nice canvas, and as you can see, excuse the light, the lighting is really bad today, so I've got the flash on the camera just trying to stop all the shadows. Terrible weather as usual. So really nice clear canvas, symbols. Really nice. There we go. Oh, I forgot to say, it is 27 colours. Just move that so you can see. Mainly symbols and letters. Don't think we'll have any issues with those. The ones that are similar colours are quite different letters, so we should be fine with those. Wow. Sorry for the crinkling. If you don't like it, I would suggest muting your phone or with it on a few seconds. Oh, so many. So we've got a lot of colours. So I'm not doing the inventory on here. I will do it separately off camera. So we've got some grey blues, beautiful turquoise blues. We've got 666, which is the red. We've got 823, which is the navy, a few bags of those. 814s, which are like a dark burgundy red. 819s, which are a lovely little baby pink when the camera wants to focus. Dark forest green, 890. 917, like a fuchsia pink. 927, like a sagey green. 939, dark blue. We've got a lot of 3614. Again, gorgeous turquoise green. 3849, I believe they are. The symbols are, if you can see, the letters are a little bit worn off on some of them, so they're not that easy to see, but we can manage. 321, another nice red. Lots and lots and lots of these turquoise. 3846, loads of them. 3844, a little bit darker. 3765, 375 though, like a dark grey tinged blue. 413, I believe they are. Dark mustard colour, 977. 3354, I believe. Nice peachy pink. 3607, slightly purple based pink. Baby pink, 3689. 891. 3705, which is like a purpley, like a reddy pink. 993, like a mint green. One little, 315, like a dark blush pink, and we've got the bright orange, which is 947. Wow, that's a lot of girls. I will put them all back in a moment. That will be fun to kit up. So back to the canvas, hoping you can see her a little bit better. So like I said, 2 weeks delivery from the Diamond Painting Factory, 40 by 60. This is a full round and it cost me £16.20. It was £17.99 and I got a £1.79 discount for, I think it was a first order. Free shipping. So yeah, pretty good. And for the quality, I mean, I've never had a sparkly canvas before. And like you can see, it's folded, it's took itself flat straight from coming out of the box. I've not had to roll it the opposite way. We are poured glue. Look at that, really nice and sticky. So yeah, very happy. She will be one of my next projects, along with the anime bride that I showed yesterday. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please pop over to my Instagram, which is the same handle as my YouTube, TattyArt84, for all updates, videos, everything like that. So thank you for watching. Bye.